Hi, good morning.
Good morning too.
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
My work experience is working. I'm working in Taiwan before as a housemaid. So
What's,
I'm
what's the
looking
nationality of your employer in Taiwan?
Taiwanese man
How many members in the family?
for.
How old are the children?
Since I got there, the children is 4 years old.
Okay. Can you tell me what were your duties and responsibilities while on the job?
There's I know cleaning the house, washing clothes, taking care of the children, and other jobs inside the house.
And why you did not continue your contract with them?
I want to explore another country,
Okay.
and my husband is there to
And how much salary are you looking for?
uh, uh, allow my husband inside the house.
Okay. And what is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Cleaning and babysitting,
What type of food can you cook?
Chinese foods and Filipino foods only, but I'm willing to learn.
In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
If the baby is hot,
And what is your first action when a baby cries out loud?
uh, dancing with him and giving milk,
What are your hobbies?
playing with my kids.
How long do you want to work here in UAE for? How many years?
It depends upon the employer if they want to renew me.
And why do you think you should be a good full-time housemate to your new employer?
I will be a kind and trustworthy live-in housemate.
Okay, thank you. Nice talking with you.